Welcome to Snowdonia Flight School's video on calculating the wind, heading and velocity using a CRP1 flight computer. An aircraft flies along a heading. This is the direction the compass in the aircraft says it is travelling. However, the aircraft also has a track, which is the actual ground track that the aircraft is flying. This is normally different to the heading due to wind, which is most often not directly in front of or behind the aircraft. We want to know what the wind direction and speed is for this leg of the flight, so we need some numbers here. In this example, the heading is 076 degrees, and the track is 090 degrees, but we also need two other numbers. The true airspeed, or TAS, is 110 knots, and the ground speed is 102 knots. Now we have all the information we need to do the calculation. On our CRP1, we set the degrees dial to 76, which is our heading, and we set the airspeed to the TAS, which is 110 knots. We now have to calculate the difference between our heading and track, which in this case is 14 degrees right. Now we put a dot on the dial at 14 degrees right and on our ground speed of 102 knots. Finally, we rotate the bearing disc until the dot is directly underneath the centre. At this point we can see that the dot is on 83 knots, which means that the wind speed is 27 knots and the wind is coming from 011 degrees. Thanks for watching. Please check out our website at flysnowdonia.com and remember that we offer flying lessons, pleasure flights and ground school in the amazing Snowdonia scenery.